Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Healthmark instrument protector card. As you can see, we have a small, medium, and large sizes. So today I'm going to show you how to assemble the large size. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this flap, you're going to fold it over 180 degrees. Then you're going to take the locking tabs on either side and you're going to put them through the receiving slots. And then this will create a flat edge at the bottom. Next, you're going to take your instrument and you're going to slide it through the larger slot. You're going to feed it back through the card and then through the small slit and then down into the pocket of the card. You're going to extend the arms of the instrument open. You're going to take this flap, you're going to fold it over and slide it into the larger slot, and this will secure the instrument so it doesn't move. Just like that. And now you're all set to sterilize. So the small and the medium cards, they function the same way as the large. And you're all set.